Bracelet of Death. Once upon a time, in a kingdom where people were kind and pure, a kind hearted king ruled. He loved his people dearly and always tried for their well being. His queen was equally beautiful and kind hearted. They had a daughter named Princess Meha, renowned for her beauty and grace. When Princess Mirha came of the age, the king began preparations for her wedding. He gathered the finest jewels in the land and created a magnificent diamond bracelet. The diamonds in the bracelet were exceptionally brilliant. On her wedding day, the king presented the bracelet to his daughter. Princess Mirha was overjoyed with this beautiful gift and began a happy life with her prince. But fate had other plans. One day, while strolling in the forest with her prince, a terrible storm arose. Trees were uprooted and the sky was lit with thunder and lightning. Princess Mirha became frightened and clung tightly to her husband's hand. Suddenly, a branch struck her head and she fainted. When Princess Mirha regained consciousness, she found herself in the middle of the forest. Her husband was nowhere to be seen. She looked around and spotted a small hut. Approaching the hut, she found an old woman living there. The old woman was kind and took Princess Mirha in. When the old woman saw the diamond bracelet, she became very worried. She told Princess Mirha that a monster was searching for her because of the bracelet. The monster wanted to possess the diamonds, but Princess Mirha need not fear, as the old woman would do everything to protect her. The next day, when the monster arrived, the old woman distracted it, giving Meha a chance to escape. The monster killed the old woman and pursued Princess Meha. Meha managed to escape the monster and seek refuge in a castle. The castle belonged to a princess who helped Princess Meha and defeated the monster. The princess advised Meha to throw away the diamond bracelet because it had become a threat to her life. The monster could attack Meha again to take the diamonds. The princess explained that many thieves and robbers would also want to get this bracelet. Understanding the situation, Princess Mirha threw the bracelet far into the forest. The prince also reached the palace while searching for Meha, and Princess Mirha returned to her palace with him and began to live a peaceful and happy life.